Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am at Kenwood House here in London, and today I brought my RICOH GRIII camera with me, and the whole point of this video is basically to show you how you're going to convert your RICOH GRIII camera into an HDF format. So obviously it's quite expensive to upgrade and buy just for the HDF feature. So today I basically upgraded my camera. So as you can see, I have a lens hood and I connected it into a diffusion filter, which is 1/2 in strength. Sorry, I'm quite outdoor at the moment, so you could hear some animals in my background. So what the HDF, what the diffusion filter does to your video, it basically gives you that dreamy kind of glowy kind of effect, which is what we're trying to achieve in today's pictures. So the setting of the camera that I'll be using for today will be JPEG format. I'm not going to be shooting in RAW, and I'll be creating my own recipe, which will be straight out of the camera. And the baseline color that I'll be using will be the color positive. I'm going to share to you the recipe onto the description or on the description on this video. So I hope you will enjoy today's video, and it's going to be amazing to take some wonderful pictures. The weather is quite good. The sun is out, which is going to be giving us some more effect into the diffusion filter. So stick around with me, and I hope you will enjoy today's video. Alright guys, just a little bit background information about Kenwood House here in Hampstead in London. This is basically one of the locations seen from the movie The Notting Hill. It may have been featured from other films, but I think from what I can remember, Notting Hill was shot also from here in one of the scenes. So yeah, that's a good information to know. Alright guys, you can now appreciate the effect of the diffusion into the image. It looks very glowy to me. I don't know if you appreciate it now, but once I uploaded the pictures, you should be able to see it. And it's looking really, really nice. I think it's also important to expose your image accordingly. So currently now I'm shooting at a speed rate of 320 and then an aperture of 11 and an ISO 320 for outdoors, which is not too bad. So I do like the look of this image already. The sun makes the color really looking a bit more yellow, but bear in mind the recipe that I've created for this one is slightly on the warmer tone, so that should make it look a bit warmer. Okay guys, just a quick update and some shooting tips. I think if your intention is basically to get that dreamy kind of glowy cast, I appreciate it that you have to have like the sun or some form of lighting that's hitting into your subject, and that's gonna make it more glowy. I think this is also useful when you're shooting it in like low lighting scenario where there's like street lamps or some form of like bright lights or neon lights. I think the diffusion is going to come through and it's going to give you that HDF look to your image. And I think I'm struggling at the moment with the location because the sun is so bright, but if you use it into a bright scenario where the lighting, the sun is literally striking into your image, then you would really appreciate the glow of the image. So have a think about it, play around with your location, have a look at the lighting and see for yourself where the light hits your subject. So I think that's the key thing here. All right, guys, I think I've taken already quite a few pictures here, so I'm just going to end this video with a slideshow of all the pictures that I've taken, and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you would appreciate that you don't need to upgrade and buy the HDF camera from the RICOH series, but I think you can make do. You can pretty much add a filter or a diffusion filter to your lens, and that's gonna do the effect as an HDF. So hope you enjoyed this video. I shall see you next time.